Mic check. Mic check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Am I loud? Am I clear? Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be live in just 8 minutes and 40 seconds covering the breaking news, covering the Comex day trading session open, answering your questions. We're going to be live in just 8 minutes and 30 seconds. Smash that like button right now if you're ready. Happy St. Paddy's Day. Just 8 minutes until we break down all the breaking gold and silver news, helping you read the tea leaves. We're going to be live watching the market open together. We're going to see Shanghai start to trade together and maybe even the stock market if you convince me together. Who's ready? Smash that like button. 7 minutes and 40 seconds away. They said to me for years, "Oh yes, you're dumb. You should have put your money in the stock market. You would be so rich right now." Well, I did the math. In the stock market, I'd be up 250% right now. With silver and gold, I'm up 500%. And I'm not looking back. As they keep telling me I'm dumb, as they keep saying I'm not following the crowd, I'm going to keep forging my own path to financial freedom. Who is unshaken? Who has intestinal fortitude? Who is with me? I'm stacking. None of the fundamentals have changed. The bankers can play their games as much as they want. I am unshaken. Who's with me? Who's with me? Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be live in just 6 minutes and 15 seconds, breaking it all down. Drop a crab in chat right now if you're unshaken.
Voices rise like a tidal wall.
Let's go. Thank you, Joe Pinator. Thank you for that super chat. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be live in just 5 minutes and 20 seconds, breaking down the morning and evening silver and gold news. We're going to see the trading session start to trade together, see what the bankers have in store for us on this St. Patrick's Day 2026. Smash that like button if you're ready. And thank you so much, Charles Vance, for gifting that membership to Purified Water. Congratulations. Say thank you to Charles for that membership. Check out your new emojis. Let's go. Let's go.
Stacks of silver, stacks of gold, digging treasure, riches on.
Oh, Sean, we're going to storm it all right. We're storming it all right, Sean. Come on. I'll let you know, Dan. I'll let you know when it's empty. 4 minutes and 40 seconds till we're live, everybody. Smash that like button if you're ready here. Let's go.
International stacker chasing that mill. Coins and bars, rare to find. Treasure hunting, one of a kind. Join the crew, let's explore. Stack up wealth and so much more.
We're going to be live here in just 4 minutes, breaking it all down. This song's called Chasing That Mill, M-I-L-L. Come on, guys. Oh, you troll me so hard.
Maps and clues. Giveaways tonight.
Who likes free silver? Who likes free gold? Who likes free copper? Put free in chat right now if you like it. If you want it. If you need it.
Silver shines, gold's the glow. Stack it high, watch it grow. Giveaways for all.
For all.
Feel the thrill. International stacker that mill. So hit that flow. Join the quest. Riches await. You're the best international stacker.
Let's go.
Strong, silver, gold. Where you been?
Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be live in just 3 minutes and 15 seconds here, breaking down the gold and silver news, watching the markets open together, the Shanghai Future Exchange, the Comex, even the stock market. We're going to be in the trenches live against the bankers. Who's with me? Figuratively. It's a figurative statement there. Let's go. Yes. 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Smash that like button if you're ready now. Let's get it. Definitely not chasing that mother-in-law. Definitely not. Hey, C-Mark21, if you're around, you won some silver. You won some silver, so contact me, internationalstacker@gmail.com. I got to connect you with Ida and the team. They need your mailing address. Ladies and gentlemen, 2 minutes here. Well, technically 2 minutes and 7 seconds, but that's close enough. Who's ready? Get your claws up. Let's go. Let's get it. Who's ready for the stream this morning? Who's ready for another trading day? 2026, what a wild year here. Who's ready for the mega ga? Put mega in chat if you're ready. One minute warning. Drop a crab in chat right now. Let's get a crab dance going.
Tidal rhythms in the sand. Shiny spoils laid by hand. We're the crew, the shell brigade. Treasures found, the music's played.
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Your claws up in the sky. International
Yes.
stacker, he's our guy.
Let's go.
And silver is the key. Crustacean nation.
30-second warning, 30-second warning. Smash that like button if you're ready. Let's go. Old school intro. Do you guys want the old school? Maybe I should hit you guys with a little kid. It's been a while since we've done that. Maybe I'll do little kid and then old school. How does that sound? Or maybe I'll do old school then little kid. Let's try it.
Dance with me.
One stacker on a journey to find silver. International stacker.
One stacker on a journey
to find
silver.
International Stacker.
What is up, ladies and gentlemen? The name's International Stacker, coming to you live from Key West, Florida, where I'm closer to Cuba than a Walmart. And I'm sipping on the world famous one and only Mrs. International Stacker coffee, coming soon. Coming soon. It's going to be released soon, so you can all sip with me. Where are you at in the world? What are you sipping on? Guys, you're not going to believe it. We are only 52 subscribers away from 67,300. And yes, that will trigger the next big show. And Sem say if you haven't seen the big show, you haven't lived. 2,000 videos around the world on gold and silver adventures, and boy, are we going to be on one this morning with the markets, guys. Check out this video I just dropped with Pawn Broker Pickers, big YouTuber, about a $400,000 gold fake scam. Also, the video right before that released a coin shop video in Prague, where yes, the air raid sirens did go off. And ladies and gentlemen, let me give you a quick recap of the markets and what happened last night. But really quick, we got Oregon in the house, we got Ohio, we've got water with Jopinator, we've got California Dan Joffo sipping on some brew, it looks like. Coffee in Canada with Mr. Tuvok. New York, it's breathing air for Cesc Gonzalez. Wow, guys, we are having a wild morning this morning, it looks like already. So look what happened last night. Silver got as high as $82.57. It got as low as $79.86. It's currently moving sideways, but on an upward trend at $80.50. And guys, look at this. $3-4 swings now are normal in silver. Isn't that crazy? $3-4. Like, I remember getting excited when it moved to like 10 cents. 10 cents in the past, but now it could swing $3, $4, $5, $10. And that's kind of normal for us, which it's kind of wild how far we've come. Silver futures is currently sitting at 80.76. Hold up. We are just barely in contango, so we could really be in backwardation any second now. Silver starts to push. And again, the market's going to open here in just 2 minutes. Let me issue a 2-minute warning here. 2-minute warning till the market day trading starts opening. It's open right now, but we're on the night session. Day trading opens in just 2 minutes. Gold is an interesting story, too, of what happened to gold overnight. It hit a high of 5,044.78, a low of 4,991.76. It's currently trading on an uptrend, but sideways on a red candle at 5,004.10. And guys, all gaps have been filled. There was some gaps created yesterday. The good news is they've all been filled. And that gold to silver ratio keeps chugging along there. We're in the low 60s, 62.13 ounces of silver for every 1 ounce of gold is the current gold to silver ratio. And we are going to see that daylight savings messes me up. This is going to move at 9 a.m. now, right? Yeah. So then at 9 a.m. we'll see this. So here's the schedule for this morning. In a minute and 10 seconds, the daytime trading session is going to start at Comex. And then we're going to enter what's called the danger zone at 8:15 a.m. Let me put some arrows from 8:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time till 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. That is the danger zone. That is the point where bankers traditionally attack. So we'll do that from 8:15 to 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And then after that, so 8:30 ends, then we'll be going. The next big shoot a drop is again at 9 a.m. The Shanghai Futures Exchange here will start to trade, and it hit a high last night of $93.71. It closed on a red downtrend at 91.58, looks like. So 91.58. So that means there is a $11 give or take arbitrage difference from the west going to the east, and that arbitrage has been attacked pretty much this whole bull run. We're going to be covering the breaking news this morning. I've got a bunch of news lined up for you guys. So make sure to follow me on X, previously known as Twitter, Intl-Stacker. So you know what's happening anytime, day or night, when I'm putting it out. You don't have to wait for the live streams. You could get it immediately. And sometimes I put stuff out when I'm not live. So that's the schedule this morning. So what we're going to do here is the session has opened. We are open. We're in the first 10 seconds of the trading session open here. So this is the first candle here. And we are in a red candle, guys. And we got to get today's session started out good, I think, here. There's something we do on this channel that some scientists say works 90% of the time, every time, to turn a red candle green or a green candle to a BGC. Ladies and gentlemen, the baby gator. Okay, I'm going to try to do the baby gator noise. Here we go. How do you do the baby gator noise? I don't know. Whoa, whoa, what was that? It was a giant lizard just jumped. That thing was massive. I thought I actually summoned an alligator for a second there. Some scientists say that was a massive lizard and it can affect the candle. That was a live stream in Boca Raton, Florida. Guys, I live stream for you around the world. I don't just do charts. I don't just do breaking news and market analysis. We literally take trips together. And it wasn't that long ago, you all told me to get on a camel. Take the camel, guys. Camel cam, guys. Eshem here.
The name Daisy.
Daisy the camel, guys. Good girl. Oh, wow, look at the 3 pyramids, guys. Yes, that was a fun time. We met one of the matriarchs of the channel there, Daisy the camel. And we're going to be entering the danger zone here in about 14 minutes. So what I'm going to do right now, is I'm going to cover the news for about the next 10 minutes or so. So you're going to get all your breaking news fixed right now. And then I will be answering questions in chat. So hold your questions for now. I'll let you know when it's question and answer time. I just don't want to miss your questions. And again, make sure you follow me on X to stay up to date, stay abreast on the news anytime, day or night. Intl-Stacker. International would not fit. And that's a conspiracy. Oh, and I did put out the tweet for this live stream, guys. So if you're on X, if you could retweet this and like that, I'd appreciate it. Help get more people out here to cover the news with us. And we're 20 likes from 200, so keep smashing it. Okay, here we go. States are stacking gold too. What do they know? Central banks have been hoarding gold at record pace for years. Now U.S. states are quietly joining the club. Wyoming just completed a $10 million physical gold purchase. That's over 2,300 ounces for its state reserves. Guess where they're storing it? A secure vault in Casper, joining Utah, Texas, and a handful of others. It's about 5 states now that are doing it. Guess who owns and operates that vault, guys? Scottsdale Mint. I love Scottsdale. That's Josh Fair, if you remember, the CEO. What do they know that the public doesn't? Exploding national debt, dollar debasement, war risks, and inflation hedging. They're moving into real money while the public chases paper. This is paper. The public is chasing paper. What do the states and central banks know that they don't? Crustacean Nation, states are stacking gold. Is that the ultimate bullish signal? I think that's pretty bullish. And if you guys want to, it's okay, Josh, you made it. You're good. If you guys want to read the article, all the articles and sources are linked in my post. So if you ever want to read the source there, I have it there. Okay, here's the next one for you. This one's a wild one. I'd forgotten about this. Are there even metals in the vaults? Bags of stone found instead of nickel. With the recent LME trading halt, it is necessary to take a quick trip back to 2023. This 2023 fraud case exposed fake consignments worth hundreds of millions. Right in the heart of the world's biggest industrial metals hub. Nickel? No. Rocks. Just rocks. Now the big question is for stackers, is there even real metal left in those exchange vaults? When warehouses are swapping metal rocks, metal for rocks, how much trust can you really put in the paper promise of stored bullion? This is exactly why physical gold and silver in your hand beats relying on any exchange system. Guess who owned the rocks, guys? Guess who owned these fake rocks that were supposedly nickel worth millions? JP Morgan Chase. Crustacean Nation, vaults full of rocks or real metal. What do you guys think? Put rocks or metal in chat. Do you think, if you think there's somewhere in one of these vaults of LBMA, LME, Comex, or the Shanghai that there's some fake gold and silver, maybe rocks, put rocks in there. If you believe it's all metal, put metal in chat. Let me see. Wow, but that's a crazy story. Okay, look at this. People like to say history repeats. I like the position that it rhymes. What will happen on this day, today, in Sound Money, ladies and gentlemen? I'm not sure what's going to happen in Sound Money today, but we're going to witness it together. As, ladies and gentlemen, the baby gator worked. Look at that red candle reverse. It's science. It's absolute science. Pushing back. Silver's down 0.54% on the trading day so far. Gold's down 0.004% on the trading day so far. But on this day in Sound Money, March 17th in 1832, the U.S. House issued a landmark report, number 420. Whoa, 420. On gold and silver coins ratios, fueling debates that led to major 1834 coinage reforms in America's bimetallic system. Bimetallic means two metals, gold and silver. 1968, on this day, March 17th, London gold pool collapsed. Huh, that sounds familiar. Central banks surrender after massive demand. They adopt a two-tier system and stop defending the $35 an ounce gold price. This day in 2008, gold surges to all new highs above 1,030 amid the financial crisis. Investors flock to real money as fiat system shakes. So look at this one. It rhymes. It's not the exact in history, but it's rhyming with today. Why? We're in a financial crisis, a global crisis, and we're seeing gold push to all new highs. Look at this one. Why is this one rhyming? Well, literally, the LME just had to do a freaking halt. Oh, we got a glitch. We got a glitch. So that rhymes as well. This one kind of rhymes. Kind of. There's a lot of stuff going on like House Bill 999. and Florida and other things. So it's not the exact same. It's not repeated, but it rhymes. Yes, you should sell the devil's tea in little bags. Oh, that would be so funny. That'd be so funny. Look at this. When in crisis, turn on the money printer. Don't you guys wish we could do that? Justin from Bar Chart. U.S. Treasury projected to buy back $15 billion with a B of their own debt today, surpassing last week's $14.7 billion purchase as the largest buyback in history. You don't believe it? They have to put it out right here, March 16th, 11 a.m. We're just going to buy about $15 billion. That's crazy, sick, and disgusting. Look at this. Matthew C. with the money printer. Okay, let's go down here. The next piece of news here. And guys, we're going to be entering the danger zone in just 7.5 minutes, so hang around for that. It might be explosive. The silver drain is accelerating. Check out the chart below posted by Hugo. So look at this. This shows the weekly change in combined total silver stocks ounces, and this shows it in tons. So look at down here. This is like different quarters. 1, 3, 5, well, no, it's every other month actually. So from 2024 on, so this is the stocks. Okay, we're good in 2025. Everything's good. We're happy. Oh no, the silver price is exploding. Oh, help us. Oh, we're going negative. Okay, we got some more. We bought some. Oh, we're going. Okay, we bought some more. Oh, we're okay. We bought a bunch. We're okay. We bought a bunch. Oh my gosh, it can't get any worse. Oh my gosh, it got. So that's where we're at now. It is accelerating. So little charts like that make it very interesting with what in the world is going on in the world today. What in the world is going on? Let me go to the next piece of news for you guys here. 1 second. Here it is. Actual image of me in Key West. Shout out to Stock-Stacker. Put this out. I just overpaid code writers to the unemployment line. Look at this. Florida. There I am. Sipping a brewski. On the beach. Of course, on a pile of quarters. Unfortunately, these appear to be clad quarters. But in the future, maybe they'll be silver. Okay, let's keep going down here. Okay, here we go. America's new #1 export, gold. Did you guys know this? Our new #1 export is gold. Smash that like button if you knew it, and smash that like button if you didn't. We're getting so close to 300,000 people on the stream. Thank you so much. Zero Hedge just dropped a wild stat. U.S. gold outflows have surged so hard that gold has become the country's top export category in recent months, shipping out physical bars at record paces. Comex vaults are bleeding, registered down to 78 million. That's for silver. Asia, China, India, scooping it up like crazy. War risks raging. This is physical squeeze happening in real time. For stackers, when the U.S. starts shipping out its gold stash at record pace, it screams scarcity, debasement, and demand overload. Physical in your hands beats paper promises every time. Now look at this. Take our gold. Look, we're throwing gold. They're throwing money. That's so funny. But I do need to go here. Hold on. Okay, cool. All right, good. Okay, look at this one. The vault drain continues. This time, over 2 million from eligible. It's interesting. Okay, so usually, guys, when I'm covering the vault drains, I usually only focus on registered. About a week ago, I noticed 2 million ounces come out of eligible. And I didn't cover it. I'm like, whatever. It might just be an institutional player pulling their silver back, whatever. But it happened again, another 2 million. So I'm like, I got to report on this. So our registered again, we're down to 78 million. But look at this, eligible. We're down to 260 now after 2 million gone, 2.1. So we're now down to 339 million. And this is what people say. There's 339 million ounces in the vault. It doesn't matter, IS. It does matter because registered, this is the category here that can be delivered if delivery is demanded. Eligible, that's silver in the vault that's owned by somebody. So a lot of these self-directed IRAs, if you've got your self-directed IRA sitting in the Delaware depository, those ounces are registered here. Big institutional players that keep silver in here, those ounces are registered and are eligible. Registered is eligible in there. So remember, registered means for delivery on the Comex. Eligible means it's in the vault, but it's got somebody's name on it. But 2 million and 2.1 million of those ounces left. What is going on? Is there big trouble in Little China? Oh, and I posted this last night. Silver holds strong despite today's nonstop attacks and war headlines. Silver still closes up. So yesterday's trading session, we were up 0.18%. And right now we are down 0.55%. So currently we're actually only down in the last 2 days of like 0.3 something, if you think about it that way. But ladies and gentlemen, we are just 3 minutes and 30 seconds away from the danger zone. We're going to be covering that live here. But after all the drama yesterday, we still finished up. Many of you did not know that. We finished up on silver and slightly down on gold yesterday. 1,000 people in the live stream. Thank you so much, guys. The name's International Stacker, coming to you live from Key West, Florida, where I'm closer to Cuba than a Walmart. We only need 51 more subscribers until the next big show. And guys, I've got a massive giveaway coming. The mega giveaway. It's got silver, it's got gold, it's got copper. We just added a bunch of copper in here yesterday. Shout out to Skydive Stacker, but we've got over 20 ounces of silver in here. We've got gold in here. This is all coming to you guys soon, but you got to be subscribed. So subscribe. See the big show, and maybe win some silver, gold, or copper. I gave away over 100 ounces in 2025, over 30 ounces in 2026, and I'm just getting started. Who wants free silver, and who wants it now?
It's my silver and I want it now. My silver and I want it now. My silver and I want it now.
It's your silver and you want it now. And ladies and gentlemen, we've got just 2 minutes and 10 seconds left till we enter the danger zone. We're going to be doing that together. Someone's saying, is May D-Day for Comex? It could be. So this is the Comex website. Look at this. Look at this, May. Currently, May has 76,000 contracts. Remember, each contract is 5,000 physical ounces of silver, and I'm importing that in my calculator times 5,000. That represents 381 million ounces in May. Guys, what is the Comex going to do in May? OMG. And we are just a minute and 40 seconds away from the danger zone. Remember, the danger zone is every morning from 8:15 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. That's traditionally when the big bankers attack. We'll see what they're going to do this morning. We're going to watch it here live together, and we are just a minute and a half away. I will be issuing the danger zone alert here in exactly 20 seconds. While we watch the danger zone, I am going to answer your questions here, and then we'll go back to the news in a little bit. I covered a lot of news. I'll cover more here in a little bit. So if you've got a question, put it in chat right now, and I'll answer it to the best of my ability. And Josh Wasp says, it's my silver, and I want it now. Oh, and Josh is not Irish. He's Scottish, but he's in that part of the world. It reminded me, happy St. Patrick's Day to those who are Irish or those who are Irish just for the day. What are you guys going to do? How are you going to celebrate? Put some shamrocks in the chat. Rick Harrison says, we need to send Guido to those vaults and clean them up and take inventory. I know. Variable Stacker saying, wait. 30-second warning. 30-second warning to the danger zone. We got 30 seconds to the danger zone here, and Variable Stacker saying the only way to tell what the Crimex will do is to look at what the Crimex has done. Whoa, Variable. Whoa. I mean, that is true. That is true. Guys, keep subscribing, keep smashing that like button. It helps so much. We're only 20 likes away from 300. And we are in the danger zone here in 5 seconds. I'm going to count it down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we are in the danger zone. So remember, we're going to be in this exposed piece of the hellscape, the war, no man's land, fighting against the big bankers for the next 15 minutes here. We'll see if we can make it through unscathed. And Ralph Ramsey says Monaco 64 covered gold outflow from U.S. this morning. Awesome. I'm going to have to check out that video. I really like his stuff. He's a great content creator. And ladies and gentlemen, I am about to go head-to-head, toe-to-toe to get us out of this danger zone. Who wants me to take a risk right now to get us out of this danger zone unscathed? Take a risk in chat right now, and I will take it for you, and I will broadcast it live. What is IS about to do? I'm about to do something absolutely crazy, and we're only 6 likes away from 300, so keep smashing it as we watch the silver and gold price here. Silver currently trading on a green candle in the danger zone at $80.42. Gold's trading on a green candle in the danger zone at $5,010.81. And gold to silver ratio, 62.34 ounces of silver to everyone. I'm going to take a risk right now. I'm going to go right now and confront the bankers.
Dudley
And breaking news, I'm getting live footage in right now. We are on a second green candle here, the first green candle of the danger zone. I'm getting live footage from the Comex. I'm piping it in right now. Poor Mortimer. As we keep trading here. Rick Harrison says, you mispronounced. Guido is multifaceted. More recently, it has come to refer to the working class urban Italian. Oh, Guido. I know Guido. Okay. I wasn't sure where you're going with that. Working class urban Italian Americans who conduct themselves in an overly macho manner. Yeah, I saw Jersey Shore. I know all about Guidos. I know about it. Happy St. Patrick's Day to all, saying Shotgun Susie. And we got Victor here in chat saying, odd question. Is there a way to see your X posts without having an account? I have no need for an account. I don't know. Victor, I think you have to have an account to see. But I mean, you could just make a throwaway account that you never post on so you can see the stuff. I mean, I put a lot of news out here, guys, like this one. Look at this one. This is a big news here. SEC shocker quarterly reports earning could be gone. The Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, is preparing a proposal to scrap the mandatory quarterly reporting requirement. What could go wrong with that, guys? Letting public companies choose semi-annual, twice-a-year updates instead. This would be one of the biggest disclosure rule changes in decades. Why it matters to stackers. Less frequent updates could mean more uncertainty and potential for hidden problems, classic flight to safe havens, short-term Wall Street pressure drops, companies focus on long-term growth, reduced transparency often means more volatility and distrust in paper assets. When faith in the financial system reporting wobbles, physical silver and gold become the ultimate truth. No quarterly spin, just real metal in your hands. There's the article there if you want to read more about that. And look at this, guys. Charles Vance got his Crustacean Nation mug here. Got my cup. It looks great next to my favorite pieces, and I love this. This is a rune. I think I have that rune. Let me move this big old box of silver, gold, and copper I'm giving away to you guys. Here. Yeah. Charles, we got the same rune, I think. No, yours is different. Yours has a little tail on top. Oh, I do not have that one. Nice, Charles. And look, Scottsdale Mint. Scottsdale Mint is on one right now. They are posting lots of good information and helping state stack. We just covered that. Gold's flight path. Scottsdale Mint just dropped a killer 2026 outlook. Structural bull market is intact. And according to Josh Fair, the CEO, it's just beginning. Scottsdale Silver CEO Josh Fair spills the beans. Central banks are stacking hard. Debt is exploding. War risks, Iran Hormuz, oil shocks, and Comex drains, all pointing to higher gold and silver. Physical metal wins when fiat falters. And that's a great article there from Scottsdale Mint. I mean, it's got all kinds of charts. It's got all kinds of, you can get $5 off, evidently. But it's got all kinds of great information. So that's why you got to follow the X, because you could actually read that. And guys, we are about to finish the first candle here in 3, 2, 1. We are now on the second candle of the danger zone. Second candle of the danger zone here, and it was green, but now it's red, and now it's about to turn green again. $80.48 here. And Josh Wasp says, King Crab got the scoop, guys. Thank you. Shiny Stacker in chat saying, SEC are accessories to other criminal enterprises. I know. William Posey saying, what do you think the Fed does today? Oh, yeah, the Fed. There's a Fed meeting today. Isn't there? Is it Wednesday? No, it's Tuesday. Hold up. Is there Fed Reserve meeting today? Is it today or is it tomorrow? Okay, it is today. There is a meeting. So what do you guys think? The rate decision is going to be around 2 p.m. That's definitely a watch out situation for the day. Thank you for that, William Posey. I forgot about that. That was today. What do you guys think? Are they going to raise rates, cut rates, or do nothing? Josh Wass says, what's your latest buy? Probably that 10-ounce Loki bar. It was expensive. I blew a lot of my budget on that one. You can lift that Mega God box with one hand. Still not enough. Rick Harrison, you guys, one of you, a crustacean, is sending me an actual chest. So soon we'll have it. I can barely lift it with one hand. It's heavy. I mean, this thing's 15 pounds. I'm just jacked. I'm jacked. But one of you sending an actual chest to put this stuff in. And that box is full. It's about to collapse. And that's all going to come to you guys. All you got to do is subscribe, turn on those notifications, and enjoy the ride, guys. Smash that like button. We're only 70 away from 400. And you're not going to believe it. We are literally only 43 subscribers away from the next big show at 67,300 here. Josh Wasps is saying to buckle up. Owen in chat saying, oh, guys, Owen is here. He is Irish. He lives in Cork, Ireland. He's saying, happy Paddy's Day from Ireland. Hope you haven't been committing the ultimate insult of calling it Paddy's Day. Yeah, oh yeah, no T's, it's D. That's right, it's not T's, it's D. Thank you for that, Owen. Who's Irish today? Put a shamrock in chat if you're Irish today. Put 2 shamrocks if you're Irish every day. The Floyd Lawton says, does your light for the rune still work? No, I broke it. I dropped it during a live stream and I broke it. I just got to get a new UV light. I keep forgetting. Okay. I'm going to put it here so I don't forget. UV light. I'm going to get a new UV light so I don't forget there. And we're in a massive green candle here, guys. Some channel members would actually call this a BGC. And we are raging in the danger zone, $80.70. It looks like we're headed towards our next target here, which should be 81. That got moved. So we are just 30 cents away from our next target on 81 at silver on a BGC. We're on a big green candle as well for gold at $5,015.34. Just about $4 off from our next target of $5,020.13. Get that bridge out with the KGs. Get Jack Crab King. Oh, I am. Breaking news says, unfortunately, I am still on paper silver. Lots of security issues for gold and silver storage in my area. I get it. I get it. If paper silver keeps crashing, I'm out today, says breaking news. I get it, breaking news. If you're in a really bad area, you can store it some places. Like, I don't like storing it. I'm a big proponent of if you don't hold it, you don't own it. But I get it if there's security issues. So there are solutions out there. Better than the paper, that's for sure. Okay. I'm looking for questions. We got Josh talking about McAllen. Aaron in chat saying, is the live stream where you used to your Sigma check stash, did all those iffy coins end up to be real? Yeah, so the Maria Teresa Towers I was unsure about. I got them added to the pocket pinger. I called up the company for the pocket pinger, this little puppy right here. And I know him. He's a subscriber. I asked if he could add the Towler to it. So he added it within 30 minutes. And all of them checked out except for one. So I think one might end up being fake. Now remember, the Maria Teresa Towler coin is one of the most faked silver coins out there because during World War II, they mass produced them to try to collapse those economies. So all of them except for one, and I've got to double verify on that one, but I think that one is toast. Northampton West saying, some people may think you're a bit sus buying UV light. It's for the runes. The UV light lights up the runes, okay? Come on. Guys, we are on another green candle here. This is the third green candle of the danger zone. And it looks like all the crustaceans have banded together. All us physical gold, silver stackers, hoarders, collectors, numisticists in the trenches alongside Wall Street Silver, Wall Street Bet. Holding the line. Hold the line, channel members. Holding the line against the big bankers as we push another green candle here. Going up $80.74, only 26 cents off from our next target of 81 for silver. Gold as well on another green candle, $5,016.65. That means we're less than $4 away from our next target, $3 of $5,020.13. And we're pushing hard, guys. Wow. Oh, Josh is shorting oil right now. So let's check that. Let's check that. Let's go here. Let's go here. Okay, let's check the DXY. Guys, remember, when the DXY and the DXY, this is the dollar index, it is still trending down. When the dollar trends down, that puts positive, bullish, green pressure on gold and silver. When the DXY dollar index moves up, that puts bearish, negative, downward red pressure on gold and silver. So it's currently under 100. It was over 100 yesterday. It is under 100, trading at 99.74, and it's red. U.S. oil is downtrending as well, 95.49 for U.S. oil. WTI oil's trending down 94.88. Crude's trending down at 95.48. And Brent is the only one over 100, and it is dropping like a rock there. Brent was up to, what is this, 105, and now it's down to 102.53. Let's go back to here. 1 second. Bam. Okay, cool. And let's see real quick what you guys are saying to me on X, previously known as Twitter. Make sure you follow me here at Intl-Stacker. Tweet at me. If you guys know any breaking news I missed, make sure to tweet it at me. The shipping to the Arctic in Mexico is crazy. I'm sure it is, Silverlinks. I'm sure it is. Okay. Silverlinks was talking about this. Silverlinks was asking if I shipped to Mexico for these cups. So they checked it out, and I guess the store does, but it's expensive. Look at this from Next Exit.
Mine and mine alone. Keep your hands off. No one touches me, Silver. This pot is mine and mine alone. Keep your hands off. You hear me?
No one touches me, Silver. Thanks. Oh, whoa, what is this?
Touches me, Silver.
Have you guys ever seen a crab leprechaun with gold and silver? Oh my gosh. That has got to be, that's probably going to make an Irishman mad somewhere. Reposted. Thank you, Broken. Carl here saying probably very empty vaults, glitches they call it. And guys, I am going to recover the glitch news. How many of you guys know that there was another glitch? How many of you guys know? What happened to the audit of Fort Knox? I know. Look at us walking in there with diamond claws. Someone's asking, how do they attack silver? There's a bunch of ways to attack silver, but the two most common ways is what's called spoofing and wash trading. So what spoofing is very easily, and I'm not going to get into the exact explanation because you go in the weeds. But basically what spoofing is you place either a large sell order. So say we could say, we want to sell 1 million ounces at $80, or you could place in a large buy order. We're buying 1 million ounces at 81.81, and you sell, or you place a sell or buy order without the intention of ever executing the order. So if I put in a massive order in right now, and big banks can do this, and look at this. It's not conspiracy. This is not conspiracy. Literally, JP Morgan Chase got, spoofing. Got fined $920 million in September. Scotiabank, 120 of 2020, that is. Scotiabank, $127 million in 2020. Deutsche Bank, $75 million, so on and so forth. So it's not conspiracy. So spoofing is placed in a large sell or buy order without the intention of ever executing it, and you cancel that order before it gets hit. Now, if I put in a massive, selling millions of ounces at 80, algorithms would see that, and they would start to freak out and start to trade accordingly. So that can crash or make the price higher if you sell or do a fake buy order. But spoofing is putting in a fake order to move the market without the intention of ever executing it. Wash trading is another form they do. And basically it's like you buy a contract or 1,000 contracts, sell it, buy it, sell it, buy it, sell it. But you do it quickly in quick succession, and that creates fake volume. So this stuff down here, what we're seeing down here, this is called the volume. That creates fake volume. So that can make a stock or a chart or whatever look like it's moving way more than it is or has way more interest than it does. So that is called wash trading. So those are two ways just there that the Comex can attack it. There's a bunch of other ways they could attack it, but those are the two main ways. It's not a crab leprechaun, it's a crab leprechaun. They're from the equivalent to Ireland of the Crabtopia, says Owen. That's funny. Look at this. Picked up my first ever Morgans. Check it out, guys. Say congratulations to Oli-Stacker. They are in chat. And they just picked up some Morgans. 1889, 1883, 1899. Awesome. Look at this. We are live. Thank you, Matthew C. I love gold, says Matthew. Thank you, Matthew. And look at this. This is so funny. This is so true because look at this. Right now, the Shanghai Futures Exchange, which again is going to open in 29 minutes, and we're going to be covering that live, guys, closed at 91.58. But silver, whoa, we're pushing here. We're about to take out our next target here of 81, but silver's at 81. So that's a $10 difference. So if you take a bunch of silver from the United States right now and you don't get arrested because China doesn't like this, only the big governmental players can do it. If you're an individual doing it, they'll get mad. But if you take a bunch of ounces to China and sell them, you can make $10 more an ounce right now. So basically, this is saying currency wars, we're winning, right? We're throwing our physical gold and silver here, and they're just giving us cash for it. Thank you, says Gold Grump Grandpa. Thank you. And that's Matthew C. Okay, we're caught up there. Okay, we're caught up. Let me go back to the news here. I did want to cover the news on the glitch that happened yesterday. That tweet got a lot of eyeballs on it. Okay, I think we're there. So silver real quick is $80.96, 4 cents off from our target of 81 on a green candle. Gold's on a green candle as well, 5,022.06. Oh, we just took out our first target in gold. We just took out our first target in gold of 5,020. Our next target is 5,028.06. Silver's about to take out our target of 81. Mark in chat saying, currently sat watching the London Stock Exchange have suspended FMC first class metals exploration firm from Blackburn. Wow. I'll have to look more into that. Thank you, Mark. Did we gap up on the last candle? I know it does look like it. Look at it. It does look like we gapped here, doesn't it? But it's okay. We have a wick there, so we're covered. But something uncommon did happen there. Something uncommon did happen there. But it's covered regardless, so we're good. Okay, guys, we're 2 cents off. I'm going to cover the glitch. Another glitch happened. The second glitch on the LME happened this year. The fourth glitch between the LME and Comex. Okay, so here it is. Major breaking. London Metals Exchange halts metals trading due to a glitch. Now remember, guys, the LBMA, London Bullion Metals Association, handles most of the gold and silver trading in London. The LME handles like all metals, but they do have some exposure to gold and silver, which is why this is relevant. So major breaking. LME halts metals trading due to a glitch. This happened yesterday. The London Metals Exchange just went dark. Full trading halt across all contracts due to a technical glitch. This is their second glitch the LME has had this year. It kicked off at 9:44, and actually more information's come out. It lasted longer than an hour. It lasted 2 hours. So from 9:44 to 11:44 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, no metals were spared, including precious metals. This isn't just a glitch. It's a red flag for market fragility amid war oil madness. Look at the chart below. Occurs as silver is moving up, then tops out, then shocking, a dip once the glitch is fixed. So look at here. This was the silver price, and although this is not the main exchange for silver, I'm going to break that down here in a second. Look, here's where the glitch started. Here's where the glitch ended. Oh, isn't that interesting? Isn't that interesting? For gold silver stackers, disruptions like this scream systemic stress, if not straight up manipulation. Paper markets glitch, but physical metal doesn't. More reason to stack physical metals outside the exchanges. So somebody posted something here, and I did do a little bit of a clarification. I wish I was a little bit more clear on this in this tweet, because I think some people are thinking the LME is the LBMA, which it's not. So this gentleman here, he's a subscriber. He says, Grack and myself says, WTF, no, London Metal Exchange does not currently trade gold and silver future contracts. You're right to associate gold and silver primarily with the LBMA. That's the main hub for the OTC market. Yes, so here's my clarification here. I said, thanks for jumping in and calling that out. I appreciate you keeping me on my toes and double checking facts. You're right that the LBMA is the dominant force with physical gold and silver spot pricing and OTC trading. And it's easy to confuse the two because LME is so much better known for base metals. I went back and double checked the LME's own site and contract specs to make sure I wasn't spreading bad info. The LME does offer cash settled gold and silver futures options under their LME platform. They're listed and still active, but volume is tiny compared to the Comex, NYMEX. And they're not the same. They're not the main price discovery venue for precious metals. Okay. But with that being said, I think it has some sort of influence on the Comex, because look at this. Is this a new trick up their sleeve, an indirect way for them to control the metals market, guys? Again, that's the second glitch in the LME this year alone. As we are on a BRC. Oh, we took out the target in silver. We just took out 81 in silver, but we are in a red candle, but it's okay. We still took it out. We hit a high of $81.06. Now we're on a red candle at 80.97. Ladies and gentlemen, we need to do something right now that works 90% of the time, every time. Do you guys want it? If you want the baby gator call to turn this red candle green, put baby gator in chat right now. And just like that, ladies and gentlemen, we are up on the trading session. We are up 0.09% on the trading session right now with silver on a red candle, $80.83. Gold's on a red candle, 5,000 to 1981. Our next target there, 5,028. They want it. They demand it. The baby gator.
Okay, I'm gonna try to do the baby gator noise. Here we go. How do you do the baby gator noise? Yeah. I don't know. Whoa, whoa, what was that? It was a giant lizard just jumped. That thing was massive. I thought I actually summoned an alligator for a second there.
It was a massive lizard. I thought I was going to be like Chubbs on Happy Gilmore, lose my digits. Because I was live streaming from Boca Raton, guys. I live stream all around the world, not just these charts, not just updates. I take you guys on actual journeys, and you tell me what to do. And we were in Boca Raton, Florida, roughly translated as the rat's mouth. I know it's the mouse, but I want to say rat. And there was a waterway there. There was a warning alligator sign. And you guys told me to do a baby gator call to try to lure in an alligator for you to see. So I did one there. And then when I did it, a giant iguana jumped on a palm frond and gave me a heart attack. I have not had a rush like that since the Crystal Light Championships in the 80s. And guys, if you want to see the big show, we are literally only 40 subscribers away. 40 more subscribers until 67,300 and the big show. And remember, you got to be subscribed anyway to win my treasure. I'm giving away over 20 ounces of silver soon. This box is going to fill. It's going to be even bigger. So far, we're at 20 ounces of silver. We're at gold. We're at probably 30 ounces of copper. We got gold backs. We got gold bars. We got premium bars. I mean, we got Valcambi bars in it. We got stuff in here. So you got to be subscribed to win the mega giveaway. If you want some of my treasure,
Mega!
so make sure you subscribe. And guys, we got over 1,400 people in the chat right now. And we have 420 likes, 80 more likes till 500. So the next 80 people to smash like are going to have good luck for 1 year. It's science. Can you get a free Sigma? I'm going to try, Josh. I'm going to try to get a free Sigma to give away to you guys. Do you guys want me to try to get a free Sigma to give away to you guys? What do you think? I did call Pocket Pinger, guys. I am getting free Pocket Pingers. You guys, there's so many fakes out there. You got to protect yourself. Fakes are getting so bad. Can you tell me which one of these Morgan silver dollars is fake? Which of these Mercury dimes is real and fake? Is this slabbed American silver eagle real? Look at this 90% Milwaukee Liberty. Ladies and gentlemen, all of those coins except this one, plated in gold, were fake. Either you can spend $3,500 plus on a Sigma Metalytics Verifier Pro, or you can invest in something that one of the Crustacean Nation created. It is the Pocket Pinger by Sound Money. Passed. That was the real one. Failed. That Walking Liberty. Failed. Ladies and gentlemen, it's only $38. Link is in the description below. You get the Pocket Pinger. You get the stick. You get access to the free phone application. It's literal science. $38 can protect you from a fake silver coin, a fake gold coin, even fake silver bars, and 90%. And it helps support the channel too. So thank you so much. Click the link below. I believe it's mandatory for all stackers, and it's only $38. Protect your stack now. Yes. And I was able to Raptor run, guys. I just did a secret clandestine Raptor run, and I filled up my coffee. I did a Raptor run without you guys even knowing it. I was running like a little Raptor. I had my hands up with the little claws, my toes out flared as I trotted across the house to refill my Mrs. International Stacker coffee. It happened. And we're on another red candle here at 8088 or 8080. 8088 is an old computer. Any of you guys ever have an 8088 growing up? Wow. Blast to the past there. And guys, we are just 20 minutes away. What's going to happen when Shanghai opens? We're going to be finding out here live together. Okay, let's go back and see. Oh, I did put this out yesterday. 2026 gold outlook dropped. Monetary Metals recently released their, full 2026 forecast. A structural bull market is intact, eyeing $6,000 to $7,000 an ounce in upside scenarios by year end. Key drivers: relentless central bank buying, exploding debt, war risks, physical supply tightness, silver gets a strong shout out too in this. So if you want to go read the report, you just got to put in your email and they'll send it to you. Now, this company offers holding your medals and paying you like percentages on it. Someone asked me my perspective on that. My perspective is if you don't hold it, you don't own it. So I want to be holding it. Wow. Guys, look at this. Oh, someone says Comex must be running on 8088s as many glitches and overloads they've had. I know, Rick Harrison, they must be. You guys, I need everyone to chant this in chat. Blue Shadow, Blue Shadow, Blue Shadow. Blue Shadow bought this chest and sent it to me in the mail. This is going to be the mega giveaway chest. We're going to fill this puppy full of treasure. Should we do 100 pieces of silver for 100,000 subscriber giveaway? Do you guys think we should do that? So a big shout out to Blue Shadow. Look at this. The International Stacker official Mega Precious Metals coin chest and with epic status revealed to the Crustacean Nation. Thank you so much, Blue Shadow. And you guys, when I get this, I'll fill it up with you guys. We'll unbox it together on a live stream. We will fill it up together. Should we fill this thing until the box breaks? Should we stack it with gold and silver until it collapses? But thank you so much, Blue Shadow. That was awesome and thoughtful of you. Really appreciate it. Fam is saying all national currencies will be backed by gold. Do you guys believe that? Do you think at the end of all this, once currencies just continue to, nosedive, do you think we're all going to be backed by gold? Guys, this is why we stack physical metals. Physical silver like this 100-ounce Johnson Matthey bar, and physical gold like this gold nugget from Australia. Because all throughout history, the big bankers, the financial experts that have told you guys all to stack this stuff, paper, fiat, currency, that 100% of the time, I'm trying to get that box out of here. 100% of the time with this stuff, when it's not backed by physical gold and silver, it has always eventually gone to zero. And as I plop down this big old fat stack of Vietnam dong, I want to remind you that it got so bad in Zimbabwe, they went from $1 million notes to $1 billion notes to literally $1 trillion notes. And ladies and gentlemen, this one coin right here from 1936, I believe, cements it all. This is 90% silver, still worth its weight in silver, probably 60, 70 bucks. This one silver coin is worth more than all this paper fiat currency. Paper fiat currency, 100% record of eventually always going to zero. That's why we stack physical silver. That's why we stack physical gold. And we are on our second red candle here in the last 10 minutes. 80.68 on silver right now. It's okay. Don't panic. Gold's 5,017. So we're going to keep watching the charts here. And remember, Shanghai's opening here in about 15 minutes and 45 seconds. So 15 minutes and 45 seconds, we're going to keep watching here. But if we can keep going here and break above this yellow line there, we should see a pretty explosive move. Let me fix this. We should see a pretty explosive move if we can do that. Close enough. Close enough. Close enough for government work. Okay, let's go here. There we go. Okay, guys. We are 31 subscribers away from the big show. Who wants to see a big show? Put big show in chat right now if you want to see one. We'll be there in 31 subscribers. And thank you so much to Stanley K for subscribing. You are mega. Can I ping my gold backs? No. Okay, guys, are you ready for this? Are you ready for this? The Pocket Pinger, he's adding a crab coin. So you can ping any coin, not just gold and silver, with the technology. So right now, he is, but the coins aren't added to there. He has only got gold and silver coins. He's adding a crab coin into the pinger. So if you meet me in the wild, guys, you get this. You caught the King Crab Challenge coin. You can get one of these. He's putting this in the Pocket Ping coin app. So if you've got a crab coin, you're going to be able to ping it to see if it's the real deal or not. So if one of you collectors buys one off eBay or something, you're going to be able to ping it and see if it's real. How sick is that? That is so fun. Let's go here. Okay, Rice tagged me in this. Let's see. 26% of the Shanghai Gold Exchange's silver stock vanished last week. According to this post, 96 metric tons. Wow. I'll have to look more into that, but thank you so much. What is it made of? I don't know. A base metal. I don't know what it would be. Some sort of base metal. Hold up. Someone's asking a question. Yeah, so right now, a channel member, Steve, is asking, and thank you for being a channel member. He's asking how to tell how much time is left in this candle right here. So remember, these are 5-minute candles. So this being 8:47 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I know how many minutes are left in the candle because I look at this and I know it's 3 more minutes till 50. So I'll say there's 3 minutes left in this red candle. Once it hits 50, then I know it's 5. So I just do the conversion real quick in my head. So that's the way I can tell how much time is left in that current candle. Right there. So I hope that answers that question. I luckily just saw it pop up. I usually don't look at my email at all during live streams. House is saying, I'm having PTSD listening to silver manipulation. I've been dealing with crypto. Well, House, the good news is gold and silver is a bit more regulated than crypto. But the difference is gold and silver at least is strategic, and even gold. So it's not going to run as wild as the crypto markets, but definitely it's been performing similarly as of late. And I get it. I used to be in crypto, but don't have PTSD. This is real stuff. This is real money. This has been money for thousands of years. Again, not a financial advisor, just some dude on the internet with crabs. But these are Roman silver denarius, old silver, Japanese bars, gold bars. This is from the Abbasid Caliphate like 1,000 years ago. This stuff is physical gold, silver, years, centuries of monetary metals, and they're of strategic value. So I get it. There is manipulation. I agree, but it's not as crazy as it could be. Definitely not as crazy as the crypto market. The Floyd Lawton saying, it says how much time is left in the candle directly under the current spot on the right, red. Oh, does it? Oh, right here. I never noticed that, Floyd. Look at this, guys. So here's the candle. Here's the price right here that's moving. You can tell by this red or green line here. I never noticed that. It says how much it's going for right now, 8:55, 8:54, and look, 1 minute and 6 seconds left. So there you go. I don't have to use my brain anymore. I could just look here. I never noticed that. That's funny. Thank you for that, Floyd. Joe Panator says, I could not get super chat amount low enough to ask you to add 1 trillion Zimbabwe. Oh, wow. Joe Panator wants to add some Zimbabwe to the mega giveaway. What do you guys think? Should I add some Zimbabwe money? Should I make some billionaires? Should I make some millionaires? Should I make a trillionaire? What do you guys think? Would you guys like to win stuff like that? Thank you, Joe Panator, for that suggestion. Hey, we got Tuli in chat said, I started picking up shoes and booze because I found out about them from International Stacker. That's awesome, Tuli. Guys, I love these things so much. I imagine like back in the day, like a samurai soldier riding. Let me show you something. I said a long time ago on a live stream, just hanging out with you guys. Sorry, let me get this Vietnam dong out of here. I said a long time ago with you guys that I wanted to stack it. I wanted to fill this leather pouch, and it's still not complete. It's still not complete. I want it full to the brim. But imagine like a samurai riding up and you throw him this and he catches it for like a job well done. Look at this. How sick is that? I did give some of these away at my last meet and greet at the Fun Coin Show, but how cool is that? I love them. I got to fill that pouch. Fill that pouch, IS. Variable Stacker saying, IS, when you get the website up, can you please have live charts running? Yes. I am trying to figure out how to do that. Yes. Pause Square Time. He is a creator, guys. Check him out. Cool YouTube. Says, well, IS, I finally broke down and added a couple hundred of ounces at silver at 80. No premium. Let's see what happens in the long run. Thanks for the show. Awesome, Pa. I think you're going to be very happy with that in the future. But guys, the road is going to be long, dark, and full of terrors. I've been saying it for a long time on this channel. 20, then 30, then 40, then 50, then 60. You're going to have intestinal fortitude to see the way through. There's going to be scary times. People are going to tell you it's collapsing, it's over, the bull market's through, we're going back to 20 for the next 50 years. You're going to hear it all. Again, not a financial advisor, just some dude on the internet with crabs, but I really feel like those with the intestinal fortitude to see the way through are going to be celebrating with me in the streets. We're going to be dancing in the streets, throwing our gold and silver in the air. Again, the road's going to be long, dark, and full of terrors. You're going to get bumps, you're going to get bruises. But remember, crustaceans can lose an arm, can lose a claw, and it will grow right back. And we got a reverse DTB forming here. Look at that. That's almost perfect. So we'll keep watching that. And Jopinator's saying, I already have one, and that's fun to show people that piece of rubbish. It is. Those are silver? What purity? Yeah, they're silver. Here's a close look at them. I think it's like 83. Whoops, that's wrong. There's a close look at it. There you go. I think it's like 83. Let me see. Japan, BU, Jin. Is it 93% or 83? I can't remember off the top of my head. Let's click here. 87%. They're 87% silver. They're about 8.62 grams. So they're about a quarter ounce of silver. So melt value on them right now is like $20. If you want to see what they are, they're just type in Japan BU Jin. There's different sizes though. Be careful. There's smaller ones. So don't buy small ones thinking you're getting the big ones. You got to do some research there. Amarion is saying a few of the gold-backed merchants agreed to adopt the PSVF index. Junk this modern-day manipulation. Whoa. Interesting. Toilet Brush is saying when moon. Ladies and gentlemen, do you want to take a quick trip to the moon real quick? Put moon in chat if you want to go. We'll take a quick rocket ship up to the moon because Toilet Brush wants to know is when moon. When moon, when Lambo. Okay, you guys want it. We're going to the moon.
Fly me to the moon. Let me play among the stars.
Yes. Who's got the intestinal fortitude? Who's got it? We do need a baby gator.
Okay, I'm going to try to do the baby gator noise. Here we go. How do you do the baby gator noise? Yeah. I don't know. Whoa, whoa, what was that? It was a giant lizard just jumped. That thing was massive. I thought I actually summoned an alligator for a second there.
Some scientists say that 90% of the time, every time we do the baby gator call, it could turn a red candle green or turn a green candle to a BGC. So we're going to keep watching that. But ladies and gentlemen, we're about to see here live. Don't go anywhere. You're definitely going to want to see this in just about 6 minutes. No, 5 minutes and 40 seconds. We're going to see the Shanghai Futures Exchange open. And I'm going to ask you guys right now, are you team green or are you team red? It's not looking good for team green right now. Look at this momentum on this chart. We're going to gap. Are we gapping down or up? Are you guys team green or team red? What do you think? You can be team red without being anti-silver. What do you think's actually going to happen? Intl-Stacker saying classic head and shoulders showing. Let's go. So let's go look and see. Left shoulder, double head, right shoulder. What do you guys think? Are we seeing a classic head and shoulders? What do you guys think? Or what do you think? What do you think, crustaceans? There are no consequences when the fix is in. They are always on the correct side of the trade. I mean, don't be totally blackpilled on that. JP Morgan did pay $1 billion fine in 2020. Scotiabank and several other bankers actually went to prison. Scotiabank paid 127. Deutsche Bank. I mean, there are prosecutions and things that happen. And if they had full control, ladies and gentlemen, I believe we would still be under $20 an ounce. And thank you so much. Oh, wow. Thank you, Shin, for the super chat saying ISD regularly stack goldbacks. I mean, kind of. I do. I got this one because I think this is going to be a good flip. This is the DC Goldback. There's only 250,000 of them, and only the first 2,500 had a colorized shield. So I got that, but that's a flip. I think I'm going to flip later. But I mean, I've got stacks of them that I've bought. And part of it is I like to give them out to you guys. My daughter, her allowance, she can pick silver dimes or gold backs. But I do like them. I have done quite well with them over the years. I've always made some pretty good money on them, flipping them and trading them for different things. So I do like them. Now, my primary focus is physical silver, physical gold, and like the metal form, not non-bill form. But I do like gold backs. I do tend to stack them a little bit. One of you guys, Crustacean, he created a company called Red Dirt LLC. I used to say Red Desert. Look at this. He's one of you. I'm not paid. I'm not sponsored by him, but this is where I buy my gold backs because oftentimes he has the best deals on the internet. Now, this only updates once a day. Like AppMex and all those guys, the big guys, that updates continuously. But this is where I buy them. It's always the best deals I see or dang near close to it. And it's supporting one of you guys. A crustacean, his dream. So check him out, Red Dirt LLC. And it looks like he's sold out of a couple of them. Look, sold out. Are you going to donate to Ida's auction for next year? Maybe, Floyd. Maybe I'll donate. But I think one of my bigger jobs than donating is getting people there, getting eyes on it. Because of the promotion we did, the crab raids we did, I saw a ton of crustaceans there bidding. And this year they broke all records. I'm not saying that's because of us, but we were a part of the piece of getting eyes, getting people there. So I will definitely do big promotion on it. We'll do crab raids. I think getting people there is more important, spending my time and energy on that than donating like an item. But maybe I'll donate a specialty item. I just might. It just depends. We'll see where we're at next year, what I've got, what it looks like. I might. But certainly I'll make a donation. We made a donation this year. We came together. We raised about $320. So I'll definitely do a donation. Whether I send a physical item in it or not, I don't know, but I will promote it. You definitely helped Ida and the kids out, man. Seymour! Seymour, they're looking for you. Seymour, email me at internationalstacker@gmail.com. I will connect you with them. They want to send you your stuff you won, but they don't have your address. So Seymour, email me internationalstacker@gmail.com so I can connect you with them. They've been looking for you. They've been looking the streets for you, Seymour. Okay. And there he is, guys. Stacker in chat. That's his company. He had a dream. He executed it, and now it's taking off. So congratulations to Stacker. And again, if you want a good deal on goldbacks, check out Oki. I contacted her just now. Okay, awesome, Seymour. Yeah, they were looking for you hard. They're like, do you know who Seymour is? I'm like, yes. They're like, we need him for the auction. I'm like, did he not pay? They're like, no, he paid. He bought so much, we need a truck to deliver this to him, and we don't have an address. So big thank you to Seymour for donating to the kids. That's awesome. And guys, we are just 24 subscribers away from the next big show. 67,276. The next 24 people that subscribe are going to have good luck for 18 months. It's science. I need a clip that says it's science. I need a clip. I need to do that today. They had pitchforks and torches, says Josh. That's funny. Rick Harrison is saying, according to my wife, I made the auction over the top with what I spent. You did. I'm sure you did, Rick Harrison. Thank you for the donations. Don't forget, if you that's a charity. So there might be a way for you guys for tax purposes to write some or part of that off. Talk to your tax professional, but don't sleep on that. You should get an email from them in that probably states what you donated, and that is tax write-offable. Northampton says, just posted my GB stack on X channel. Okay, let's see. Hopefully you tagged me, Hampton. We got Daniel here saying total game changer, 15 billion purchase out of 30 trillion debt pile. Wow, everyone panic. Everybody panic. Whoa, guys, look at this. Goldbacks and silverbacks. I think this is Northampton West. Haters gonna hate. Look at this. Wow. Look at these guys. Amazing. That's amazing stack. Who's still stacking? Will is. I like to put out these who's still stacking. I do one or two of these a day. So one or two a day. So if you tweet at me, doesn't mean I'm always going to post it out, but I might pick your post to tweet out. Comex vaults are down way more than the actual level is around 60 million, says last ounce. Buyers just did not change the category of their metal yet. Interesting, it could be. Ryan saying, yes, this is Shanghai. Although this just came out 17 minutes ago. Let's check it out. Shanghai silver drains halted. Shanghai adds... Oh, so Shanghai's added more silver for the third day. But there's still only 11 million ounces. Oh, Shanghai. Oh, man. We're trading. Shanghai, green candle. Green candle. I missed that. I got distracted. So Team Green takes it. This market's been open for 1 minute and 55 seconds. So we are in a green candle in Shanghai, 91.96. We're going to see what happens here. The Comex is on a BGC as well. Looks like the baby gator may have worked, ladies and gentlemen. Some scientists say we are at $80.88 on a green candle silver. Gold's pushing higher as well on the green candle, 5,015.58. Some of the two funniest comments I've seen in recent time is someone asked me, dude, were you a DJ on the Gravitron ride? Okay, let's go. And then someone said, were you a DJ in a roller skating rink? And it made me think of this video here. Watch this. Okay, let's go meme. It makes me think of this kid here. So a little backstory here. This is a kid who like loves just models and rides and stuff. And he made this video here. Just listen.
Okay, let's go.
There's his ride. Yeah, that's his little ride, and he does like what the guy does.
Okay, let's go.
It's so funny. That's so funny. But that's what it made me think of. So funny. Isn't that funny? Guys, we're getting close. Wow, 21 more subscribers. If you want to see a big show, you better subscribe. And you got to be subscribed anyway to win. If you won silver on my channel or gold or copper in 2025, 2026, put winner in chat right now. Big, bold letters. Guys, I gave away over 100 ounces of silver, 801.5 gold backs in 2025, some other gold and copper. 2026, over 30 ounces so far. We're going to be doing a lot more. If you want to win the Mega Guy, you got to be a subscriber. Let's get these gold backs out of here. And guys, there's 1/4 gold backs coming. I'm looking forward to that. Right here. There's already more than 20 ounces of silver in here to give away to you. There's gold. It's going to be given away to you. There's a bunch of pretty cool copper in here. It's all going to be given away to you. You got to subscribe. You should randomly shout, all skate, dear. Okay. All skate. All right, guys, couples. We're going to do a couple song. Everyone out of the skating rink, unless you're a couple. Who wants to do the couple skate with Viola? Who wants to do the couple skate with Viola right now? Oh, okay. You do? Okay.
Yep. What's the robot's name?
Viola.
Viola.
Ladies and gentlemen, she's different. One-fourth goldbacks are quarterbacks. That's a way better name. I like that. I'll go with quarterback. She's too strong for me, says Row Dog. That's funny. Let's go back here to Shanghai Futures Exchange. 92, guys. We're trending up on Shanghai. 92. Okay. The U.S. stock market opens here in 25 minutes. Do you guys want me to keep going? Put keep going in chat and smash the like button. If we break 600 likes, I'll keep going. That's only 40 likes. So please smash it. It doesn't cost you anything, and it really helps the channel so much. It helps the stream so much. Do you guys want me to keep going? This is looking pretty strong here. Look at this, guys. Shotgun Susie, thank you so much for being a Diamond Claw member for 4 months. I'll send you my address for that mega box delivery. Whoa! Guys, Shotgun Susie is claiming the mega box. Are you going to let her take it? Are you going to let Shotgun Susie claim it? Let me know right now. But a big shout out to all the Diamond Claw members. Shotgun Susie, you're on there. I really appreciate all your support. It's because of viewers like you help me do what I do. And the big question is, everyone on the stream right now, everyone in chat, who here has Diamond Claws?
Diamond Claws.
Who's got him? Who's got him? And we're getting close to the big show, guys. We're getting so close. 17 more subscribers till the big show. No, she ain't gonna take it, says Seymour. She ain't gonna take that mega box. Is Shotgun Susie gonna take the mega box? No, she's not gonna take it. Okay. Sorry, I'm getting crazy over here. I've just had so much coffee, it's just crazy. Look at this from Master Blaster. Master Blaster did just added to the mega giveaway box yesterday. Remember, I opened it on chat. It's a bunch of various things. And look, these silver dimes are from Master Blaster. So make sure to say thank you to Master Blaster. But he's saying a pot of silver or gold. Happy St. Patrick's Day, International Stacker. Thank you. And happy St. Patrick's Day to everyone in chat right now who is Irish permanently or Irish for the day. Gonna take a Rolo a walk. I'll be back. All right, take Rolo for a walk, Josh. Look at this, baby gator. It's science.
It's science. Look at that growth. Pure science.
It's science. Guys, it's science. There we go. A big shout out to Sean Cross saying, I love the song about the MILF. Ah! It's chasing that MILF, Sean Cross, M-I-L-L. Come on! But thank you for the super chat. I'm happy you liked it. And guys, Jopinator going absolutely insane here. Just gifted 5 International Stacker memberships. Those went to Rod Dog, or actually Road Dog, Images of Countries, Karen, Lucky Luke, and Pyrie. I think it's Pyrie. Say thank you to Jopinator. You just got free International Stacker memberships. Check out your new custom channel member emojis. And guys, remember, channel members get access to member-only live streams in the War Room here on YouTube. What happens in the War Room stays in the War Room. Clothing is not optional. Thank you for that. Wow. That's mega. And you guys, we're just 15 subscribers away from the next big show. 67,300 will be the next big show. That's in 15 subscribers. I think we could do it on the stream. Keep smashing that like button. We're only about 60 likes away from 700. Keep smashing. Look at this. A Broken in chat saying, hey, happy St. Patrick Day. Silver is the new green. International Stacker rules. Thank you so much. Look at us. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 10 ounces. That's $1,000 roughly. That's crazy. Look at this from Daniel. Total game changer. Everybody panic. It's funny. Jopinator saying, guys, the pleasure is mine. I seriously advise you guys to become members. Thank you so much, Jopinator. We do have fun in that War Room, guys. Secret things. Jopinator, should I show them what it looks like in the War Room? If anyone is on the cusp of becoming a member, do you guys want to see what the War Room actually looks like? Put War Room in chat if you want me to leak what it looks like to you in there. I'll do it. The members might get testy with me, but I'll do it. And guys, again, a big shout out to Shadow. Blue Shadow sending me this in the mail for the mega giveaway because that box is about to break. Okay, you guys want to see it. I'm going to show you what the War Room actually looks like. Here we go. This is an actual picture from the War Room. The Crustacean Generals assemble. We discuss high-level operations for gold and silver. We talk about where the channel's going. That is literally the War Room. Okay, let's go back to here. He made us take off our shirts. Ah! That is not true. Clothing is not optional in the War Room. Brian! Clothing's not optional. You must come fully clothed. Oh, you guys. We're on a green candle here. We're kind of starting to crab walk a little bit. $80.64 on silver. Gold's $5,012.75 on a red candle. But the Shanghai Futures Exchange is crab walking on a green candle right now of $91.80. And the stock market's going to be opening here in just 19 minutes, guys. What's going to happen? Just sent you a clip for its science via email. Thank you, Owen. I'll check that out after the stream. What's up, Shadow Bandit? Good to see you. He made me take off my shirt. That is such a funny comment. Oh my gosh. Okay, guys, I put this tweet out every morning. I retweet. PM Bug puts this out every morning. Oh, this is a different one actually. But PM Bug's tweets are good. He'll do a whole thread, and he puts like data, charts. It's really good. And put that out for you guys. Okay, look at this from Hugo. Combined Shanghai silver inventories, they're now at decade low. So this is Shanghai Futures Exchange and Shanghai Gold Exchange. Decades lows, but there's nothing to see here. I get so many comments. None of this stuff matters. It's not draining. Record decade lows in the silver vaults. Nothing to see here, right? I get those comments so much. Oh, whatever. None of this stuff matters. It's never happened before. They always figure it out. Guys who don't know, my day job now is YouTube. I'm doing this full time, but I used to travel the world doing emergency management work, helping countries, cities, states prepare for, respond to, recover from disasters. And then whether I went to tornadoes or hurricanes or earthquakes or fires or whatever, I'd always hear people say, I lived here my entire life and this never happened. It never happens until it happens. And thinking it never was going to happen because it's never happened in your lifetime, that's called normalcy bias. That's a dangerous thing in real life. That's a dangerous thing in trading. The same thing here is like people are like, it's going to crash just like 1980 and 2011. Just because it's always done that doesn't mean it always will. And here's the main difference. In 1980 and 2011, we were in a silver production surplus around the globe. We've been in a silver production deficit for 6+ years. That's why I'm so bullish on silver. We consume more than we produce. We produce about 835 million ounces a year. Last year, we consumed 1.2 billion. This year, it's projected we consume 1.3 billion ounces. We hit peak mining in 2016, and every year since then, it's decreased 1% to 3% in total production. It's getting worse. Remember, silver, this stuff right here is the most reflective metal. It's the most conductive metal. It's some of the best thermodynamic properties of a metal. It's literally antibacterial, antimicrobial. It's in Mrs. International Stacker's yoga pants here, okay? And remember, the majority of gold ever mined, and 99% of it is still above ground. It's in vaults. It's in jewelry. A couple grams in my teeth. I've got some gold crowns. If you're team gold crown, put gold crown in chat. The majority of silver ever mined has been destroyed. It's blown up across battlefields. It's in e-waste. It's buried below the ground. Ladies and gentlemen, that is why I'm so bullish on silver. The only way to make the situation better is new mines. New mines take 10 to 15 years to get it going, even if you cut the red tape. That's why I'm so bullish gold and silver, but predominantly silver. Variable stacking say, did you work the big tsunami in early 25? No, I did not in 2005. No, I did not, but that was massive. That was massive. Pause Spare Time says in 1980 and 2011, there was no baby gator call. Whoa! Guys, Pause Spare Time just figured it out. It is just different this time. Because in 1980 and 2011, there was no baby gator.
Okay, I'm going to try to do the baby gator noise. Here we go. How do you do the baby gator noise? Yeah. I don't know. Whoa, whoa, what was that? It was a giant lizard just jumped. That thing was massive. I thought I actually summoned an alligator for a second there.
Dude, I think I'm going to make that a shirt. What do you guys think? Would that be a good shirt? In 1980, I'm writing it down. In 1980 and 2011, there was no baby gator call. That is so funny. I think I'm going to make that into a shirt and put it on the store. What do you guys think? Okay, guys, we've got just 14 minutes until the stock market opens. What do you guys think is going to happen when the stock market opens? Are you team green or team red? It's going to open there. There we go. What do you think is going to happen, guys, when the stock market opens? Team green or team red? Let's look at the DXY. The DXY is downtrending majorly. Wow. And don't forget the watch out situation for the day, guys, is Federal Reserve meeting. 2 p.m. They're going to announce Fed rate cut or not. What do you guys think? What's it saying at Poly Market? Poly Market odds of Fed rate cut today. Let's see what they're saying. Poly Market, guys, is a way for people to gamble. It's a way for people to gamble on things. Fed decision March. That's where we're at. Wow, 99% of people think there'll be no change. That's probably going to be right. Poly Market's usually pretty on. Do you guys agree with this? Will there be a Federal Reserve cut this month or not? They're saying 99% no. Wow. Oil's going down as well, guys. Stock market opens here in just 13 minutes. It could get interesting here. It could get quite interesting here. Yeah, I thought it was Wednesday too, but it's today. Somebody said it earlier. I looked it up. It said it was today. Do you ever do prepper or emergency stacker videos? I have in the past, but they don't perform, so I stopped doing them. Like, look, if you go to my channel and search CBRN, one of my expertises, guys, is chemical, biological, radiological, nuclear. That's actually me right there in that picture. Right there, that's me. I tried a few videos on this, but they did horrible. 429 views, 1,000 views. So I stopped doing them. But that's actually my expertise. So if you guys ever have Seaburn questions or anything related to that, I could answer them. It was popular during COVID, though. I answered a lot of questions during COVID. Yeah, I do videos that you guys like, and sometimes I do I did a live stream on Saturday that I think was so useful. Right here, which is fake. I showed you guys how to spot fake coins in this, but look at this, 1,900 views. And if you look at my live streams, they do 16,000 views, 11,000, 8.5. That was a slow one. 12,000, 10,000, 8,000. So that tells me what you guys like, and I try to make what you guys like. So this one was a pretty good stream, I feel like, but only 2,000 views. So that tells me that the masses are not interested in spotting fake silver and gold, which you should be. I'll probably try that one again, though. I've taken a course on CBRN in the CF. Nice. Nice, Christian. I'll watch him. You have so many, says Josh. Yeah. Guys, I've got over 2,000 videos. 2,000. My oldest video, look at this. Now, all these videos have gotten a lot more views. They used to be like 20 views, but since my channel's gotten more popular, people have gone back and rewatched them. But you can literally watch my stacking a journey. My first video ever was the long intro. 9 years ago, this started. So you could watch my entire stacking journey. You could watch me learn things alongside you the whole way. Look at this. I put this up when Notre Dame burnt. I actually had B-roll footage. I shot there. So there. Look at that was an unboxing. Look at all those boxes. So anyways, I've got a bunch of footage. A bunch of fun videos. Go check them out if you're ever bored. What's your thoughts on Mira safety? They're amazing. They're amazing. It's government military quality for cheap. Here's one right here. I love Mira safety, and I've got a link in the description below. I'm actually got a affiliate with them. I heavily recommend it. It is the best. It is the best equipment you can get for affordable prices without having to spend thousands and thousands of dollars. And again, militaries around the world use it. So check out the link in the description below. Oh. Mrs. IS just gave me a heart attack. Oh my gosh. I saw something out of the corner of my eye, and Mrs. IS was just standing there like a ghoul. Have a good day, my love. Oh my gosh. Sweet. Jeez, baby Jesus. That gave me a heart attack. Yeah, I've got suits and everything, Josh. I used to do that on the professional level. I helped countries stockpile millions and millions of dollars in CBRN gear. But check it out. Mirror Safety, heavily recommend it, and click my link below. You'll get a good deal, and it'll help me out too. Okay, guys, look at this. Stock market opens in 9 minutes, but we're on a BGC here. We just hit past $81.06. We are now at 81.10. Is this foreboding? She's actually going out to do some stuff this morning, so she was just saying bye. Wow, gave me a heart attack. Please give me a suit. Just wear it on the plane. That's funny. Oh my gosh. I live next to AFB SAC. If you see me with the black plastic duct tape and a mask, you know it's on. That's funny, Rick Harrison. But yeah, I've got multiple masks. Here's another one I like. So that one I just showed you is great for like general stuff, like response doing stuff. If you're actually going to be doing like warfare, this one's better. It's designed so you can look in optics on rifles. You see the eyes? So this is a really good mask for rifle optics. The other one's for general. And they both come with this. This hooks to a canteen. So you can actually hydrate and drink water if you're on a long response. Yes! Oh, I've got all kinds of stuff, guys. I helped countries do that professionally around the world for a better part of a decade. Yeah, it's a respirator. I mean, it's technically a respirator. You're right. And that filter I have on there is a general purpose CBRN. Yeah, that filter on there is the MBC 77 SOF. Okay, guys, the stock market's opening in 7 minutes here. How much is the optic mask? It's not that bad, guys. It's not that bad. If you go here to gas masks, look, that one I just showed you is on sale for $200. The optic mask is $289. Like when you're talking CBRN gear, these prices are so good. So click my link in below to Mirror Safety if you're gonna go there. You'll get a discount. It helps the channel. Wow, get you a better respirator. I some bigger gas on the front. Nice. Stumblefish is a respiratory protection specialist. That's amazing. Okay, guys, the stock market's opening here in about 6 minutes. Yeah, I used to help states with their what's called SNS, Strategic National Stockpiles. I used to do a lot of that stuff. I enjoyed it. Guys, you're not going to believe it. 13 more subscribers, we get a big show. Who wants to see a big show? Some say you haven't lived unless you've seen a big show. Thank you for teaching loading emergency management. It's not an easy job. Yeah, I just really enjoyed it. But I enjoy this even more, guys, just hanging out with the crustaceans, doing live streams, talking gold and silver. The stockpiles we didn't have, says Kaltenberg. We actually did have them, but the problem is a lot of the stockpiles didn't get like rotated. So they found like a bunch of just messed up like PPE and stuff like that. You're referring to COVID, I'm sure. But there are strategic national stockpiles. They do have like PPE. They have stuff for big like flu outbreaks. They have like, they can have CBRN gear, and they can have various different things depending on what state it's in and if that state has nuclear power plants or not. But the problem is some strategic national stockpiles had damaged PPE or out of date PPE, stuff like that. Again, it's like normalcy bias. We're fine. We've never used it. We've never had to use it, so we're probably fine. Not my top priority. States kind of don't pay attention, let it go to waste, because the local, it's called the RSS receipts. What was it? I don't remember what it means anymore. Receipt, stockpiling, and something. So the RSS warehouse is part of the Strategic National Stockpile, run and maintained by the states. They buy stuff with grants and state money. So they just got lackadaisical. Not all of them. Some of them worked great. A lot of them, some of them didn't. But they just got normalcy bias. Same thing that's dangerous in trading. Audit the vaults. Dropping the Mike wants to audit the metals vaults and the strategic national stockpiles. Due to your skills, are you set up to be a warlord in Key? Oh yeah, guys. If the big hurricane hits, I am going to be running half this island. You need a baby gator as a pet. Might get one after the next hurricane. You never know. Okay, guys, here we go. The stock market is going to be opening here in just 3 minutes and 20 seconds. What do you think is going to happen? Wow, guys, we're 4 likes from 700. Can we do it? Oh, that's interesting. Silver price. Let's see if they do silver price. I've never looked at it for silver price. They probably have it. Will silver hit blank by end of March? Oh, okay. So here it is. The 1% say 170. Let's see what the consensus says. 83% of people say 80 or lower. I'm sorry, not 83%. 33% say 80 or lower. 25% say 75 or lower. 13% chance of 95 and higher. That's cool. I never thought to look at Polymarket for silver. And ladies and gentlemen, the stock market's opening here in 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Is it fireproof? I burn wood for heat. In Wisconsin, I often get a gas flame when opening the door. Will this save my eyebrows? No, they're not fireproof. They do have masks that are fire rated, but you're not going to find any mask, even a firefighter's SCBA. Those aren't fireproof, but they could be fire resistant. So if you click that link below, they've got different masks for different applications. But yeah, you'll definitely want to try to get one that's rated at least fire resistance. For sure. Because you want to be careful. You put a mask on your face and it catches on fire and the plastics burn. First, you're going to get burnt badly. Secondly, you're going to inhale noxious fumes. So you got to be careful with that. Now, if it's direct flame hitting it versus radiant heat, that's a difference. There's not going to be any mask really that's rated for direct flame exposure. Like those fire shelters. So look at this. Wildland fire shelter. You basically look like a Twinkie in these things. I trained on these in the past. I was a wildland firefighter back in the day. You look like a bunch of little burritos. These things are horrible. They do not survive direct flame content. They are immediately destroyed. But for radiant heat, they are phenomenal. They block like 95% of the heat, something like that. So radiant heat, you'll do well. Direct flame length, you'll do horrible. Like you see these guys laying here, bad idea. They're next to trees and different bushes. That's not going to work. It has to be in a cleared out area. Like, see how this is cleared out? That's where that would be effective. Okay. Anyways, I'm getting on all kinds of tangents this morning here. Okay, guys, we got 30-second warning till the stock market opens. How much silver's in a yoga pants? Someone actually did some research and sent me that. It's like less than a gram. I forget the exact number, is less than a gram. Yeah, I go on some crazy tangents here. Okay, we got 10 seconds here. I'm going to count it down from 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ladies and gentlemen, the U.S. stock market is open. Are you team green or team red? At the end of 5 minutes, is the candle going to be red? Is the candle going to be green? Let me know right now in chat. Put red or green. Top of the morning to you, pilgrims, to Steel City Stacker. It is St. Patty's Day. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Everyone today is Irish, evidently. Watch out for leprechauns, says Dr. Sophia. Attacking the baby gator to grab the silver and gold. Wow! That's what I'm talking about. The Shogun of Harlem. That's a funny name, Shogun of Harlem. I'm getting nervous, so nervous. In fact, I went down to the coin shop and bought another 10 ounces last night. Keep stacking, my friends. That's awesome. Great job, Shadow. Remember, like Ryan Hall says, I love Ryan Hall. He's a YouTuber for extreme weather. Like Ryan Hall says, don't be scared, be prepared. So far, we are on a green candle, then red, then green, then red. So we're going to see what happens here. We've got approximately 4 minutes and 3 seconds left in this daily 5-minute candle. Andrew's saying if it's less than a gram, how many yoga pants do they make every year? Millions. I know. Like it's significantly less than a gram. It's a small amount. Steel City Studies. Remember Crustacean Nation? I have an auction tonight. Oh yeah, guys, check out Steel City Stacker. He's got an auction. Team slammed, says RD. That's funny. And guys, we got 1,200 people in the chat, 725 likes. Can we just pop another 75 on there, get to 800? It helps the channel so much. I really appreciate it. And guys, how bad do you want to see a big show? We have 9 more subscribers to go to 67,300. That will trigger a big show. Some say you haven't seen a big show. You haven't lived. And you got to be subscribed anyway to enter my mega giveaway. I gave away over 100 ounces of silver, 800 1/2 gold backs, and 2025 other gold and copper. Gave away already 30 ounces of silver this year. And we've got at least 20 ounces of silver in here. We've got gold. It's premium stuff. Look, Valcambi bar. We're talking Silvertown bars. We got other stuff in here. We got gold. We got a bunch of cool copper in here. And this is going to keep growing. This box is going to get far more mega. But you got to be subscribed. So you might as well subscribe. Maybe win some silver, gold, and see a big show at the same time. It's science! It looks like Team Green's going to take this one. There's still 2 minutes and 25 seconds left on this candle, but it looks like this first 5-minute candle after the stock market opening here just 3.5 minutes ago is going to stay strongly green, and it's going up to break $81.16. Okay, it just broke our daily high. That was our day trading session high so far of $81.16. It's pushing higher on a BGC here, actually. Channel members, you know what emoji to drop in chat right now. We just hit a new trading session high of $81.25. It's looking pretty strong, ladies and gentlemen. Is it going to be heading towards our next target here of $81.81? Gold has a BGC if I've ever seen one. Gold is about to take out our next target of 5,028.06, guys. The Dow Jones is up. The S&P 500 is up 43 points. Dow Jones up 412. NASDAQ's up 164 here. The dollar's down, which is good for gold and silver. The oil's up a little bit, so we're going to keep watching that here. Let's go here. Get rid of that. Let's get rid of that. But yeah, mirror safety link is below, so go check it out if you're interested in Seaburn gear. Let's see if there's any small creators on this morning. Or if you guys know any small creators that are on. Look at that, guys. International Stackers on. Did you like the thumbnail today? Pull the plug. Did you like that? Pull the plug. I don't see Ida's on. Ida's on with Great Scott. If you guys don't know who Bald Money Guy is, you need to check him out. He's a great content creator. Great channel. Yeah, it's slow in the mornings for content creators, guys. Ida and I are the only ones. Silver and gold jewelry. A lot of these guys are just AI channels now. It's disgusting. And like, see this video here? It's not actually live. It's just pre-edited videos that they put on to make it look like a live stream. Oh, did Powell give his speech already? I think it's happening today. I think the announcement's at 2 p.m. Am I AI? Let's see, guys. Do you see 5 or 6 fingers on my hand? Let me do it really quick. AI can't do that. I got 5. Dude, that'd be wild if I was AI all this time. Yeah, AI is becoming BS, but YouTube's really cracking down on it. Asian AI guys channel, a bunch of them got deleted, a bunch of others got deleted, so they are cracking down on it. Someone saw 6 fingers, someone saw 7. AI can't eat fruit. Great, am I gonna have to eat a nectarine live? I thought so too. I thought it was Wednesday, but I did a search earlier. Look. Is the Fed Reserve meeting today? Today, Tuesday, March 17th. Oh, 2-day meeting. It is tomorrow. I got tricked. Okay, you're right. So it's a 2-day meet. Gosh, I knew it. I knew it and I got tricked. So it's a 2-day meeting. So today they're meeting. But tomorrow he'll hold a press conference to discuss the decision at 2:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The decision release will be 30 minutes before that. But you guys, we could see some stuff get leaked today. So keep an eye on the markets today. Okay, I might be drunk, says Josh. That's funny. That's funny. You're not AI because you have a sense of humor. There you go. You can clone yourself with AI. I know you can. It's crazy. If you ever hear me start talking like, hi, guys, today I'm here to talk to you about crabs taking over the world, you know I've been cloned. Okay. Do you guys know of any small creators on right now? Let me know. Hey, good to see you, 3D Woodworks. And we're just going to be chugging around here all day, but we are in this uptrend. So stock market movement's been good for silver. Look at this uptrend we're on this morning. So we'll keep watching that for silver. Gold, we've got a similar uptrend on. It's not as extreme as silver. Get over here. It's not as extreme, but it's still an uptrend. So we'll be watching this all day long here. So the question is, do you guys want to do a crab raid this morning, or do you just want to vanish into the mist? Put crab raid if you want to do a crab raid. I found Miss Ida is live, but there's not really many creators live. Miss Ida is. I mean, we could do Ida. I'm seeing no other small creator. I love sharing the wealth, but no one's... Guys, if you got a small channel and you want to get it some exposure, just go live.
My mouse.
Go live in the mornings. Ninja smoke bomb it. I mean, we might as well show Ida a little bit of love. Guys, the next time I'm going to be live is going to be this afternoon. I might do Comex open after the break, so that'd be 5:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I think that's probably what I'll do. I might also do Shanghai open. Would you guys rather have Shanghai open tonight? That would probably be 30 a.m. or 30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So it's a bit later, but that might be better for a bunch of you guys on the West Coast. I might do Shanghai open tonight. What do you guys think? Guys, and before I end the stream, we're only 24 likes away from 800. If you could smash the like, it will help people find it afterwards. But silver is pushing higher here. Guys, look, since the stock market opened. Look at this volume. Whoa. Pretty good volume this morning. I'm thinking I might do Shanghai tonight. Shanghai. All right, that's what I'm going to do, guys. I'm going to work on some new shirt designs today. I'm going to work on a few new scenes. I got to edit a new full-length video. I'm going to be busy all day, but thank you, everyone, so much for the support. We're going to go crab raid Ida real quick. But for everyone that doesn't know, CYOT on the channel stands for catch you on the next one. So thank you so much. I'll see you tonight, most likely for Shanghai. I really appreciate it. Smash that like button on your way out. Only 14 more to 800, and I guess I'll say, Catch you on the next one. Whoa!